Good morning, everyone. It is Tuesday, September 27th. Hope you're starting off with a great day here. It's nice and cool in Alabama, which is odd for Alabama at this time of year. Okay, but it feels pretty good outside. Anyway, taking a look here at our futures, you can see our futures. Yesterday, we put in a low pretty close to Friday's low. And today we opened up just a smidge above that and working our way up. But what I want to say about this real quick is don't get all excited. Our implied opens up over 330 points on the Dow and 48 plus on the S&P. What I just want to, and what I want to caution though is that this could just be a technical bounce because we have been incredibly oversold. Now, I don't typically play just off of those conditions because those are symptoms of charts, but they're areas and they are indicators to pay attention to for those bounces. And when you are incredibly oversold and you just, the chart decides to bounce out of it, that's really what it is. So we're still in a bear market. We've come really, really close to those June lows that everybody has been watching. And if you look at the SPY here, right, we have this gap not too far below that June low. So we're really paying attention to that. We have come down through this longer term trend line. I'm going to leave it in for just a little bit longer, see if we push our way back up there. 366.41 is where we opened yesterday. Obviously, we closed quite a bit lower. And I have that 362.17 marked in. That is the June low, gap below. Okay, so these are all things that we are paying attention to as we look at individual charts. Okay, so technical bounce, things are moving up. Take your profits. We could see some decent short covering really early to help maybe give us a little bit more of a rally this morning, but then pay attention and see if then the bears take control because the bears have been really driving this struggle bus here for a while. Some other things that we see in the market, Bitcoin actually making a really nice move here. Now it's not confirmed, but it's trying to pull a 3-8 cross, and then it went through the 20. The 3 and 8 is still under the 20, so still bearish, but looking to try and make a move in that 34 again. That 34 EMA has been really tough since about April, so keep a very close eye on this. See if it continues. If it does, plenty of names to watch in there like Mara, RIOT, Coin. Even watch Square. Square will likely move along with this. It's not a direct Bitcoin name, but moves with Bitcoin since they do accept it. So watch these names. Again, be very cautious that the bears step in and then sell it off. Nonetheless, some good plays there. We watched SAVA yesterday. It went up and just took off without me paying attention to it. So I still very much like that one. We saw the resorts that have a Macau exposure, which is as we watch mainland China reopen and these, in particular, the resorts and stuff opening up. We saw these moves, so watch for some continued action on WYNN. LVS would be a good one to watch. MLCO, MLCO Resorts, those all look very good. Well, while we're watching all those, we might as well have some Cheerios. Still, this was in the watch list yesterday too. Still love. I think this is still a bull flag working to play out. It still looks very, very good here. So General Mills, GIS. Probably going to buy those Cheerios at Walmart. So Walmart's in kind of an interesting position here. It's below the 200. So overall, the order flow has been bearish. But you see what we're doing? We're actually on a nice little incline. We're below the 50, but nice pump and reversal back up. Looking for a move back through these moving averages. If we get that continuation, which this morning it is, I think above that 50, right? Oh, it's just below the 50. So we are sitting just below this 50 here. Very tight squeeze of moving averages. So take a look at that one. Along with that, you might as well watch cost and BJ. Ooh. Cost, very similar look. A little bit more beat up. Whereas Walmart has that up uptrend, like a very defined uptrend. Cost does not, but BJ's most certainly does. You could say on the longer term, this is a much longer term potential bull flag off of the 50. So pay attention to that. Another one that popped up on my BTU, Peabody Energy. I know it has been in a rough spot, but it had some good volume, put in a nice reversal yesterday, and there we go, above the 200. We'll keep an eye on that. This morning we are seeing oil and energy rise along with gold, so a rising tide raises all ships and boats here. That's exactly what's going on, so I'm not too excited. I didn't set up any particular names simply because of that. I still am overall bearish on the overall look of the market. I'm just going to be very cautious until we see at least a shorter term trend. Remember, bear market rallies can be really nice, especially off these extreme oversold conditions. So take advantage of that. I'm holding 4 positions. I'm holding LAC, Chewy, CHWY, J&J, and LLY, Lilly. So I'm holding all of those still, and we'll see if I can work my way out of some of those here today. On J&J in particular, this one, really nice tight price action, a super long like doji candle here right below the 34, looking for that move and push above the 34 and a hold above the 34 in J&J. And Lilly, very similar, not quite an inside candle, but still a nice look here with all these tight moving averages in healthcare. In a bearish market, healthcare tends to do a bit better, and Lilly had some nice news here recently, so watching for the play off of that. All right, if you have any questions, reach out, Heather C. at givingtreetrading.com. I will be around all day. I will take a quick break in the middle of the day. I have a meeting to attend right around noon Central Time, but other than that, I'll be here all day, and I'll be watching this price action. Follow the price action, not what you think should happen. All right, have a fantastic day. I'll see you around.